guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're actually going to do some suspension stuff. I'm actually heading up to Fort Lauderdale to go to Condor's Speed Shop to pick up some pieces for the coilovers they actually got in today. So I'm going to go hit up there, and then we're going to go shoot over to Kev's shop to go install the coilovers. So whatever, just enjoy this drive. I'm going to record once I get to their shops for the pickup, and then we can go from there. Just got the Condor, picked up the arm, love at the arms. The plates for the coilovers, reinforcements. Pick them up. So we're gonna go head over to Kev's shop. Well, I gotta go pick up my coilovers first. Then we're gonna go head over to Kev's and get to the install. So we just pulled up to Kev's shop. We're gonna do the fronts first for the coilovers. Go ahead, check it out. No more cut springs. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, when I was driving here, I was like, thank God this is over.
Honestly, if the back comes up, you could probably do one side.
Damn, you probably had the jacks in the back.
Yeah, of course. Or we just, fuck, we'll try that from the back.
It's off. It's off.
But the front has so much travel.
No, you're good. You're good right there.
All right. 17, right?
All right, guys, this is the BC Racing DS series, not VR. We did custom valving and spring rates on it. Yeah, these are different. Even the two color is different. On other, oh wait, no, it's not. Never mind. Oh yeah, it is. Isn't these like black? The
no.
So these apparently have better travel. The traveling rate is a lot faster compared to the BR. So I just wanted to try these out. So let me see what the best is we can do. And it comes with these sway bar links that I have broken right now in my car, so we're gonna change these as well. All right, so we're gonna get into the video.
なぜならベッドに入ってからは言葉を必要としない。
Putting everything back together just to take it all back apart tomorrow. Yeah, I see. Be gone.
I got you. Damn, dog. You have to pay Condor royalties now.
That's going on YouTube.
Gone.
Be gone.
I can't believe he told you that.
Right. We got the front end. It's looking really low. I don't even know if we're gonna clear. This is like the work that Eddie did, which just came out fire. These are the brackets from the supports from Condor that we're gonna put in.
Yeah, he didn't say anything. He was like left speechless.
Those are my
Oh, good. It's still stiff.
It's still stiff?
Yeah, look, brand new bushings for sale, dog.
Yeah, for sale.
Lightly used.
Come get them at Kevin's shop.
M. Yeah, M edition. Daiquiri edition. There you go.
Oh shit. All right, let's put these in.
If anything, it wasn't gonna be a lot easier. Nah, bro, you need rub. Huh? Give me a bolt, Scott. Just random pencils popping out of nowhere.
Tweezers, scalpel, with the gloves.
Got the rest.
To the rest.
My fucking legs are fucking giving out. You already adjusted the camper?
Yeah. I just matched it with the other one.
Yeah.
He's gonna hate his life doing the turbo kit.
Huh?
You're gonna hate your life doing the turbo kit.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, it's gonna be easy, bro. It's gonna take 2 seconds.
That's probably gonna be the hardest shit because we're gonna have to pop the head, we're gonna have to do the head gasket.
No, that's the easiest part.
Yeah, that's like.
That's the easiest part. The head will take you like an hour to take off. 2 hours. You wanna do the other dog?
Nah, you got it. I believe in you, bro.
Film guy, bro.
Niggas like fire.
He's a DJ.
You're gonna have to take it off again.
Like, when we're extra professional, you could take off the. Use the tool next to you.
Everything's installed. This is the first jack down. Go ahead, Kev. Slowest countdown. I thought he was just gonna drop it down quick, like.
No.
That's how he treats his car, bro.
Yeah, I thought it was for.
Oh shit.
Back money.
No, the back needs to go down more.
Well, it's not. The e-brake is holding up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's in the settle too.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, okay, we're still good. Just don't go full lock. Don't steer.
The back's perfect.
Just don't steer.
Yo, that's muddy. Yo. Oh my god. Hell yeah.
Just let it settle overnight. I'll probably set it low tomorrow.
And the e-brake's up. The back is like. Damn, I can't see. Hold on. Bro, it's like right there.
Do that for one drive, it'll go down to where you
Is it
want
gonna rub?
No. If it
clears?
touches, it'll touch it, right? You're
It's fire. All right.
fine.
Wait, put the e-brake down.
Front is, yeah.
Put the e-brake on. That shit. Now look at this side.
It's almost like your aggressive pivot, but without the fingers.
Yeah, you
Oh shit. Damn, it looks good.
Dude, honestly,
No, it can't survive more. See?
That's it. DTM spec loading.
It's gonna take a while loading buffering.
Wait, Greg, can you do the e-brake for us? Yeah. Because the back's about to go in now. Yeah, it's perfect on this side. Damn. Wait for it. French kiss, nigga. Hey, buddy. Thank you. Bruh, that shit looks perfect. I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh, it's my boy. It's George.
Boom, so we got it lowered. That's how the back is currently sitting. Front. You max up the front with the camera because I could put like more positive. I just don't want to fuck up the fenders by like rubbing. I could put a little bit more. But the back, it's right there, but I'm gonna raise it a little bit because I don't want to fuck up the quarter panels. So I'm gonna raise it up just a little bit. Looks good though. We could probably have it like this once Eddie tweaks the fenders a little bit more.
The thing is, in order to
How you rate it?
10.
you gotta.
How you rate it?
I give it a. Damn, I could be like David fucking
Do
Portnoy
it
right now.
Do it. Give me like the chop review.
So it can be a 10. It can be a 10 only because you want to lower it more.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'll give it the 9.5, the 9.5.
I'm not happy. I get this shit like an 8 right now.
Damn. But you're talking about like the other things or just the fitment of the wheels?
Oh, the fitment of the wheel is perfect.
With the
But I want to do like how we went to the gas station the first time. That's where I needed to sit.
Oh, okay.
That
okay,
if it's there, it's a 10. Right now.
That to me was was the 10.
No, you're right. Thank
You
you,
got
Greg.
photos of the 10.
I know, bro.
Now you gotta fucking, boy, you gotta get Eddie to pull him.
Yeah. The front's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Just the back, I gotta get to where we're at.
The front is pretty nice. Shit. I wanna get my front in the front. Well, I need to lower the front of my shit and the back.
Jesus Christ. Here goes, guys, the stickers.
What?
The stickers.
Yeah,
Bro, hurry up so we can go eat, bro.
bro. I'm sorry. For the gram.
Fucking midnight, what are you gonna get?
That sticker actually won't even look that bad on my car.
He gone.
I was gonna say, yo, that's the closer right
and
there.
you got two of them too.
The closer for the YouTube. Be gone for the video.
Be gone.
Wheel gap, be gone.
So this is pretty much some photos that my buddy Kudzu took, and This just came out crazy. I'm gonna leave his Instagram here. These photos are just the rollers, and then the link up that we did at this shipping yard in Miami was just crazy. And I actually got the car dialed in here. I had my buddy Josh at Toyo Works is dialing the camber and all that type of stuff. Eddie from Eddie the Fender guy did all the rolling on the car. I still gotta do a little bit more dialing in because the springs are kind of set in now on the coils, so I'm gonna kind of raise it up a little bit. But the car just looks great, guys. I really like it. There's a lot more stuff I gotta do. Probably gonna touch the arms now and just go through the whole bushings in the vehicle, and then I really want to do the interior before the trip. But this is just the car. It's coming together. But enjoy. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, go ahead and stay tuned for the next episode.